Joe and Ozzy. You must be Aoife and Numi.
Hello, Joe. You are very late and our VIP has been waiting.
VIP?
Very important passenger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay, Joe. Come on, let's get going.
Okay.
But first, I'm going to need a new bag.
A new bag? My first delivery? Wait here. Oh.
Joe, that bag is too small.
Oh.
That's perfect.
Baba.
Next, I do my little routine. I do the same thing every time. Now it's time for my coffee. Oh no! The cafe is closed. I can't have my coffee. Oh. But I always have my coffee before I go.
I don't like coffee. It makes me silly.
Me.
Yes, I know. Coffee! My second delivery. Wait here. Oh. Coffee.
Oh, Joe, that's not coffee. That's toffee sweet.
Ah.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Daddy,
Daddy.
Perfect!
It's nearly time for us to fly on Dizzy Airlines.
Now my cup is empty.
Daddy.
Here we are in security.